Hello and welcome to Melt to Make. Today we'll be showing you how to properly use Melt to Make bulk flavors and colors in your unflavored Pectin Gummy Base. Before we begin, let's gather all the tools you'll need. A digital scale with an accuracy of at least 1/10 of a gram, a beaker for mixing, a lab spoon or a small whisk, and a squirt bottle of filtered water. To ensure formulation accuracy, we recommend using our formula calculator app. The app will help you determine precise usage rates based on your batch size. Simply enter your formulation details and the calculator will provide your exact measurements. In the app, you will not only be able to create and save your formulations, but you can also reference our flavor and color usage guides as well as our recipe library. Once your usage rates and batch size are determined, begin by weighing out your gummy base and citric acid. Next, weigh and combine the flavor and color into a separate beaker. Mix the color and flavor together with a lab spoon or a very small whisk until it is well mixed. Feel free to add a little bit of filtered water to the mixture if it's too thick. Next, cook your pectin according to the work instructions. Once you cook your pectin to the correct bricks, add your additive if applicable, and then add your flavor and color slurry and whisk to incorporate. During this process, it's important to monitor your cooking temperature. Overheating, especially with all natural blue and green colors, can result in degraded or altered tones. We typically don't recommend using blue and green colors for pectin as they degrade under the high heat required for pectin. Instead, we suggest leaving your batch uncolored and utilizing our all-natural blue and green sanding sugar to color your gummies. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our technical team at support@melttomake.com. Your success is our success, and we're here to help with every step of the process.